Hi first graders, welcome to StartSmart Week 2, Day 3. So we're going to count the letters in each sentence. And we're going to compare which ones are longer or shorter. So I'll read it, then we'll count it. What is a rainforest? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in that sentence. I'll read the next one, then we'll count it. We will read about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, those are the same. They're tied. Okay, I'll read this next one. We will find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are tied for the longest sentence, and this is the shortest. Okay, friends, I'm going to say a word, then I will clap the syllables, or word parts that I hear. Remember that each syllable has only one vowel sound. Listen. Basket. The word basket has 2 syllables, or word parts. Clap the syllables with me as we say the word basket. Basket. You clapped 2 times because basket has 2 syllables. Sorry, the lights just turned off in the classroom, so I turned them on. Okay, listen to these words and then we'll clap the syllables. Basketball. Basketball. 3 syllables. Monday. Monday. 2 syllables. Silly. Silly. 2 syllables. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. 3 syllables. Yesterday. Yesterday. 3 syllables. Desk. Desk. 1 syllable. Chalkboard. Chalkboard. 2 syllables. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. 4 syllables. Potato. Potato. 3 syllables. California. 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 4 syllables. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. That had 5. Okay, syllables. Last one. Tumble. Tumble. 2 syllables. Okay, this is the dolphin card. The name is D. It has uppercase and lowercase d, and the sound is D. D, D, dolphin. Ms. Turner will go over uppercase D and lowercase d. How to write them. Okay, this is the hippo card. The hippo card has capital H and lowercase h. That is the name. The name is H. The sound is H, like hippo, like the hippo's opening its mouth. Hippo. Okay? So Miss Turner will go over uppercase H and lowercase h and how to write those letters. Let's begin making the sounds. D, 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 D. Nice job. 3. Sometimes the letter S at the end of the word has a Z sound. So this is I. Now, if we blend this, it would be is. Is isn't a word. So sometimes the S at the end says Z. Let's try it again. Is a word. Let's try another one that has a Z sound at the end. His. So if I sound it out, it'd be hiss. But it's not hiss, it's his. Okay, let's do, and then this one has this one is has. This one is as. So even though it has the S, it still says Z. Here's another one. Has. Nice job. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. ah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to start blending. Remember to keep your voice on. Had. Blend it. Had. D. We can't blend yet, so wait till the second sound. Dad. What's the word? Dad. Okay. Hip. What's the word? Hip. Okay. We can't blend with duh, so we'll wait for the second sound. Now blend. Dip. Put it together. Dip. Okay, let's do this together. Did. The word is did. Hid. The word is hid. Hip. The word is hip. D. You can't blend that yet, so we'll wait for the second letter. Dip. The word is dip. We can't blend yet. D. Dad. The word is dad. Sad. The word is sad. We can't blend yet. Ham. The word is ham. Him. The word is him. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of time. Look at that. Blend. The word is an. Look at the sound. Blend. Blend. Put it together. Ran. Make the sound. Blend. Keep your voice on. Blend. Put it together. Fan. I'll do some more I'll let you do this last one. This is a capital. D. You can't blend yet. Now blend. Last sound. Put it together. Dan. Okay, we'll do these together. Can't blend yet. It's just huh. Hat. Put it together. Hat. Okay, here's another one. Huh. Hit. The word is hit. Blend. Hot. The word is hot. And last one for this part is d. Can't blend yet. Dot. The word is dot. Okay, here are our sentences. I see him. Now let's read it fluently. I see him. Capital, yes. Finger space, yes. End mark, yes. What is the end mark? A period. Spelling, yes. And I can read it, yes. Okay, here's another one. Can, dan. Can, dan. Do we have a capital? Yes. Finger space, yes. Right there. There's a space. Can I read it? Yes. Is it spelled correctly? Yes. Does it have an end mark? Yes. And what is that end mark today? That is a question mark. Okay, friends, we are listening for the d sound or the h sound. I'll give you 3 seconds. Dog. 3, 2, 1. D. Hand. 3, 2, 1. Hat. 3, 2, 1. Deer. 3, 2, 1. D. Horse. 3, 2, 1. Duck. 3, 2, 1. D. And then this has the first 2 sounds, but we need to put the last sound. This is a bed. Bed. Okay? This is the word where. Say it with me. Where. Where is my pencil? The word where is spelled W-H-E-R-E. Spell it with me. W-H-E-R-E. Let's write the word in the air. W-H-E-R-E. This is the word here. Say it with me. Here. The word here is spelled H-E-R-E. Spell it with me. H-E-R-E. Let's write it in the air. H-E-R-E. Okay, these are a review. These are a lot of words, but we've been working on them. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Like. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. Has. There's our Z sound. Has. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Can. Let me move this over here. 3, 2, 1. This. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. Little. Okay, this story is rainforest. This is a rainforest. The air is damp and very warm. Drip, drop, here comes a summer storm. Rain falls from the darkened sky. Below the trees it's nice and dry. So remember, rhyming words are words that have the same ending, such as sky and dry. Those have the same I sound at the end. Okay. I'll read it once more, and then I believe Miss Turner will be going over it with you, but if not, we've read it twice now. Rainforest. The air is damp and very warm. Drip, drop, here comes a summer storm. Rain falls from the darkened sky. Below the trees, it's nice and dry. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.